Hello students, today I am going to discuss the NCERT question and answers for the chapter Human Eye and the Colorful World. First question is, what is meant by power of accommodation of the eye? So the ability of eye to focus the distant objects as well as nearby objects on the retina of the eye by changing the focal length of the eye lens is known as power of accommodation. When eye is looking at a distant object, the ciliary muscles are relaxed and eye lens becomes thin. A thin lens has low converging power. Now to focus the parallel light rays coming from a distant object, we need a thin lens. So the distant object is seen clearly by the eye. While looking at a nearby object, the ciliary muscles contract and eye lens becomes thick. That is, its converging power increases. Now to focus the diverging rays coming out of a nearby object, we need a thick lens having high converging power. So the object is seen clearly by the eye in this case also. So eye can see distant object as well as nearby objects by changing its focal length. And this is the power of accommodation. Next question, a person with a myopic eye cannot see objects beyond 1.2 meter distinctly. What should be the type of corrective lens used to restore proper vision? Since it is given that eye is myopic, so this means the person will not be able to see the distant object clearly, but he will be able to see the nearby object clearly. Now to correct myopia, we always use a concave lens. This is a myopic eye. This eye is looking at a distant object. Now from a distant object, light rays are always parallel to each other, as you can see. Now these are parallel light rays. So these light rays shows that the object is distant. It is kept far away from the eye. Now due to myopia, the converging power of this eye lens, it has increased. That is, it has become thick. It should have been thin lens while looking at a distant object, but due to myopia, its thickness has increased. So what will happen? Its converging power will increase. So this lens will focus the light rays, these parallel light rays, not on the retina, but in front of the retina. So the person will have a blurred vision. Now this can be corrected by using a concave lens. Concave lens is also known as diverging lens. Now these are parallel light rays. This eye is still looking at a distant object. From a distant object, light rays are always parallel to each other. Now these are light rays from the distant object. Now when these light rays passes through the concave lens, they are diverged. They are spread out. And when these diverged light rays are produced backwards, they appears to be coming from point N dash. And since light rays appears to be coming from point N dash, they will be focused on the retina by the eye lens now. And the object will be seen clearly by the eye. So हम क्या करते हैं? The myopia can be corrected by using the spectacles containing concave lens. चश्मा लगाना पड़ता है जिसमें concave lens लगा हो. Next question is, what is the far point and near point of the human eye with normal vision? यानी जो आंखें ठीक है, नॉर्मल है, उनके लिए फार पॉइंट क्या होता है और नियर पॉइंट क्या होता है. सो फार पॉइंट इज द फारदेस्ट पॉइंट at which an object is seen clearly by the eye. And for a normal eye, far point is infinity. यानी फार पॉइंट वो सबसे दूर का पॉइंट है जिसके ऊपर कोई ऑब्जेक्ट अगर रखा हो तो वो आईज को साफ साफ क्लियरली दिखेगा. नियर पॉइंट इज द नियरेस्ट पॉइंट at which an object is seen clearly by the eye, and for normal eye it is 25 centimeters. Next question, a student has difficulty reading the blackboard while sitting in the last row. What could be the defect the child is suffering from? How can it be corrected? यानी एक स्टूडेंट है जो लास्ट बेंच पे बैठता है, तो बोर्ड पर क्या लिखा हुआ है वो उसे साफ साफ नहीं दिखता है. So what kind of eye defect is he suffering from? So he is suffering from myopia, as you all know. myopia में ही ऐसा होता है कि दूर के जो ऑब्जेक्ट्स हैं वो हमको साफ साफ नहीं दिखते हैं, पर नज़दीक के ऑब्जेक्ट साफ दिखते हैं. and this can be corrected by using concave lens, as you know. Now NCERT exercise, the human eye can focus objects at different distances by adjusting the focal length of the eye lens. This is due to power of the accommodation. So answer is accommodation. The human eye forms the image of an object at its, so answer is retina. The least distance of distinct vision, इसको देखिए near point भी बोलते हैं. The least distance of distinct vision for young adult with normal vision is about 25 centimeter is the answer. The change in focal length of eye lens is caused by the action of ciliary muscles. The relaxation और contraction, जब दूर का ऑब्जेक्ट देखती है आई तो रिलैक्स रहती हैं ciliary muscles, और जब नज़दीक का ऑब्जेक्ट देखती है आई तो ciliary muscles कॉन्ट्रैक्ट हो जाती हैं. और इस एक्शन की वजह से ही क्या होता है कि लेंस की थिकनेस इंक्रीज होती है, डिक्रीज होती है, यानी कि उसकी फोकल लेंथ चेंज होती है और हमको दूर का और नज़दीक का दोनों का ही ऑब्जेक्ट जो है वो साफ दिखता है. A person needs a lens of power minus 5.5 diopters for correcting his distant vision. For correcting his near vision, he needs a lens of power plus 1.5 diopter. What is the focal length of the lens required for correcting distant vision और नियर विजन? देखिए -5.5 का मतलब है माइनस साइन आ गया, सो दिस इज द पावर ऑफ अ कॉन्केव लेंस. यहाँ प्लस का साइन है, सो दिस इज फॉर कॉन्वेक्स लेंस. क्योंकि फोकल लेंथ ऑफ अ कॉन्केव लेंस इज नेगेटिव, पावर इज इक्वल टू द इनवर्स ऑफ फोकल लेंथ, so power is also going to be negative, and focal length of convex lens is positive, so its power is also going to be positive. पावर का बड़ा आसान सा फॉर्मूला 1/f, सो f कितना हो जाएगा 1/p, दैट इज 1/5 minus 5.5, so this will come out to be minus 0.181 meters. अब देखिए हम सेंटीमीटर्स में लेते हैं न्यूमेरिकल्स में, सो कन्वर्ट दिस इनटू सेंटीमीटर्स, सो -18.1 centimeter. In the second case, plus 1.5 diopter is the power, so focal length is 1/p, so 1/1.5, so plus 0.667. Convert this into meters, so 66.7 meters. Next question, the far point of a myopic person is 80 centimeter in front of the eye. What is the nature and power of the lens required to correct the problem? तो मायोपिक है तो स्टूडेंट्स कॉन्केव लेंस का ही यूज करना पड़ेगा. द पर्सन इज सफरिंग फ्रॉम द आई डिफेक्ट कॉल्ड मायोपिया. इट इज द डिफेक्ट द इमेज फॉर्म्ड इन द फ्रंट ऑफ रेटिना. हेंस अ कॉन्केव लेंस इज यूज्ड टू करेक्ट दिस डिफेक्ट ऑफ द विजन. अब देखिए ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस कितना होगा, इन्फिनिटी. हमारा ऑब्जेक्ट तो इन्फिनिटी पर ही रखा हुआ है जिसको हम देखना चाहते हैं, और मायोपिया की वजह से वो हमको साफ साफ नहीं दिखता. इमेज डिस्टेंस इज -80 सेंटीमीटर, यानी कि वो जो ऑब्जेक्ट इन्फिनिटी पर रखा हुआ है उसकी जो वर्चुअल इमेज है वो कहाँ बनेगी, एट 80 सेंटीमीटर. माइनस साइन इज यूज्ड बिकॉज दिस इज टू द लेफ्ट ऑफ द लेंस. फोकल लेंथ f हमको निकालनी है, सो लेंस फॉर्मूला इज 1/v minus 1/v is equal to 1/f. सो -1/80 minus 1/infinity, देखिए इन्फिनिटी रख दिया हमने, इज इक्वल टू 1/f. सो 1/f इज इक्वल टू -1/80. सो इसको सॉल्व करके जो हमारा आंसर आएगा वो आएगा p इज इक्वल टू -0.8 विच इज इक्वल टू -1.25 diopter. So the rest of the questions will be discussed in the next lecture. Thank you.